This is Gurgaon's master plan. This is Dwarka Expressway from Delhi. Here it's a Yashobhumi, and in this side it's a IGI Airport. This is sector 113. Here we have our office. You can visit here. And today we will be talking about sector 99A. First, you should look at the connectivity of sector 99A. This one. This is sector 99A. See this 100-meter upper Dwarka Expressway. This is 150-meter wide Dwarka Expressway. This is proposed global city. This is green area behind it, and this one in front of it, this is also green area. You can access from IGI Airport within hardly 20 minutes. So it has a premium connectivity. In this sector, sector 99A, Skywell's Vienna Green developing builder floor with the approval of basement, stilt and 4 floors. And the size started from 125 square yards up to 174 square yards. And you can own your home here in 1.25 CR with very attractive payment plan. You can connect to our team for further information. We will help you out. Thank you.